Hello, today's date is 16 July 2021, and today's video topic is Spring in Java. Then I thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. So, I am Rahul Ganesh Aage. I am from the city Soegaon, that is stay besides Ajanta Caves. I have recently completed my graduation in computer science from Devgiri College, Aurangabad. Then, as I am a fresher, so I don't have any work experience, but I have a good knowledge about programming language. Moving towards today's video topic, that is Spring. So basically, Spring, it is a framework, and it's a open source framework. That means by using Spring or STS, we can develop a Java application. That means that is a web app. So it is a lightweight process, or it is easy to uh, add any logic or our code in the Spring Boot is too easy by comparing to the other frameworks. Then it is it has such a file directives, that is a config file, that means pom file, that means pom.xml. Then it has such a maven repository that gives us to the uh, built-in or such a standard code that all not all but various type of programming language use that code that is stored or on a maven directory. So it's all over about the Spring, and moving towards the architecture of Spring. So there are three major or core component of Spring. That is web component, that can be directly communicate or connect to the front end or our browser by using the Angular, or whenever we skip the Angular, or we don't know about the Angular, so we directly communicate with the browser and directly to the Spring by using the Postman, and in that Postman JSON object moving process. Then next core component of Spring, that is IOC and DI. IOC means inversion of control, and DI means dependency injection. It performs works to communicate with the database by helping the Hibernate. And third core component, that is our container or our core part. That core component, we can write our logic or our Java code. So in these three components are basically used to perform such a task by developing an app, app or web app in Java by using the Spring. So by using the Spring, and in that Spring we use some annotation uh, for specific purpose, or the known the Spring, how we can define the container of that class. Then such a method when we call the our database connectivity code, then when we insert such data in table, then when we retrieve the table. These all happen by using the annotation in Spring. So it's all over about Spring. So thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.